So let's do a warm up, right? We're going to warm up together. And if you're sitting down, you can still move your feet with me. I do recommend to stand up. Okay? So everyone's going to move their feet together. 1, 2, ready, go. Left, right, left, right, left, right. I see everyone swaying to side to side. This is good. Now we're going to make it a little bit harder. We're going to clap on both sides. So when your left foot goes down, you're going to clap on the left side. Same thing on the other side. And your hands will move like this. Okay? Let's go. Left, right, left, right, left. Make sure to clap your hands good. Now the next part is pretty hard, but I bet you can do it. We're going to speak in time while we clap. My feet keep the beat. Try it. My feet keep the beat. My feet keep the beat. Okay, adding something else. My feet keep the beat. My hands clap the rhythm. My feet keep the beat. My hands clap the rhythm. Let's add even one more. See if you can do it. My feet keep the beat. My hands clap the rhythm. And smart kids count out loud. My feet keep the beat. My hands keep the rhythm. And smart kids count out loud. Okay, that was a lot. Good. Woo. Okay, shake it out a little bit. We're shaking it out. So when we were doing that, we were clapping on both sides. We were doing one clap per side. Imagine each time you put your foot down, it's like a beat. So we're going one beat per side. Who can tell me how we would write that down in music? What symbol would we use for each clap? Anyone? Specifically, what we would write down for each clap is a quarter note. Because how many beats does a quarter note get? Who can just raise your finger to the camera if you know how many beats a quarter note gets? 1. A quarter note gets 1. So every clap is 1 quarter note. So this is just 1 quarter note, right? So it would just be 1 clap. Exactly. Now, what about who can raise their finger to the camera and tell me how many beats this note gets? I see some people. 2. Yeah, so this half note, how would we clap that? If a quarter note is each side, when we see the half note, we'll clap it like this. 1, 2. So I didn't clap on the 2 side. Let's all try that together. You don't have to stand up for this part. We'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And remember, when we go to the 2 side, we're not clapping on 2 because a half note gets 2 counts. It's like that. It's not like ba, ba, right? So we go 1, 2. A whole note is 4 counts. So we'd only clap 1 time because that's the only, you start the note once, right? Let's do this while we're going to stand up again. Okay, so everyone on their feet. Now reviewing, when I say quarter notes, we're going to clap quarter notes. When I say half notes, we're going to go to half notes. Then I'll say whole notes and we'll do whole notes together. And remember, when we go to half notes, we don't clap on both sides. We do this. And it'll make sense when your feet are going. 1, 2, ready, march. 1, 2, 1. Okay. Quarter notes, ready, go. Good. So this is easy, right? This is what we started with. Everyone could do this. Now let's go to half notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. I'm still seeing some people clap on both sides. Don't clap on both sides. You'll go 1, 2. Don't clap on 2. Okay, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's go to whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I'm only clapping once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Back to half notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back to whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,